Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I have been searching high and low for a great deodorant, and let me tell you, I have found it. Let me introduce to you the Megababe deodorant. I have it here in Rosy Pits. It's a delightful, very light smell of rose. And what I love about this deodorant and what I was looking for is something that, first of all, works, right? And then also something that is aluminum free and is not going to be harsh chemicals, isn't going to be an overpowering scent. It's lovely. It's very, very subtle. It smells like rose, but it smells very clean. And I think the most amazing part about this deodorant is that it is a roll on. So it's not going to leave a residue on my clothing or those deodorant marks on my clothing. And you're not going to see like a visible buildup either. And it actually works. I have tested this out. I am a big sweater, and throughout the day, I just applied it once in the morning. I found that that light rose smell was still there. And when I do an intense workout, it is working. It is doing its job, and I am so happy with it. My underarms are also really, really sensitive. So I really appreciate that this is made from clean ingredients, and my underarms love it. I have found my go-to deodorant. I absolutely love it, and I highly recommend checking it out if you are looking for the same things that I was. I think you're gonna love it too, but that's just my point of view.